I've always been someone who keeps things to herself. I keep my thoughts, my emotions, my worries hidden behind a smile, a mask. But today, as I type this, I know I'm looking for something. Maybe not answers, but at least someone who will understand. Someone who won't judge me right away. And honestly, I don't know if I'm brave enough to tell the people closest to me about this. I'm scared. I'm scared of their reaction. So, alam mo yung feeling na parang may kulang kahit nasa iyo na lahat? Parang ganun yung ang nangyayari sa akin ngayon. I'm 30 years old and engaged to my boyfriend of 7 years. We've been fiancés for 2 years and honestly, he's the nicest guy you'll ever meet. Pero bakit ganito? Bakit parang hindi na ako masaya? Sobrang weird kasi okay naman kami. Wala siyang ginagawang mali. He's kind, responsible, and loving. Sa totoo lang, wala ka na talagang hahanapin pa sa kanya. Pero habang papalapit ang araw ng kasal, unti-unti akong kinakain ng doubts ko. Is this it? Ganito na lang ba ang buhay ko forever? Paulit-ulit na tanong ko sa sarili ko habang nakatitig sa wedding mood board namin. We've been planning for this wedding for half a year now. He's excited about it. Yung tipong nagpipilit pang mag-attend ng food tastings at nagre-research ng suppliers. Nakikita ko yung effort niya and I appreciate it. Pero bakit parang hindi ko maibalik yung excitement na yon?